In 2023, I made a video about businesses you could start with 100,000 naira. And at the time, 100,000 naira was roughly $130. Fast forward to now, 150,000 is struggling to breathe $100. Inflation has eaten breakfast, lunch, and dinner with us. Those days are over, gone, finished. But here's the good news. People are still starting businesses and people are still making money. So in this video, I am updating that list for 2026 realities. These are 15 profitable businesses you can realistically start with 150,000 naira or less, even in this economy. If you're serious about starting something this year, but you don't have hundreds of thousands to a million naira, this video is for you. Let's get into it. Hey y'all, Chantel here, the curator of this channel. I double as your big sister, sometimes your best friend. I have a lot of things to offer you, so you can't really box me into one. Thank you so much for joining today. If you like what you see already, or you watch to the end and get value from me, please signify by giving the video a thumbs up, letting me know in the comment section, sharing the video, and most of all, joining Chantel Nation family. All right, thank you so much. I don't know the cap I'm wearing today, whether it's big sis, best friend, but either ways, this video promises to be valuable, and it is for every and anybody, from students to those who are job hunting to those who are even working but looking for an extra source of income. Number one, digital products. Selling digital products basically means packaging what you know into something people can download. Think budget planners, business checklists, faith journals, content calendars, or simple how-to guides. This business idea is low cost and high margin. Pick one real problem you know well, be it faith, fashion, content creation, productivity. Write the solution in plain, usable language, design it nicely on Canva, export as a PDF and sell it on WhatsApp, Instagram, or even storefronts like Seller and Paystack. You can start with about 30 to 50,000 naira for things like data, Canva Pro, which is optional because you can get really nice designs via the free version. And then price each item between 5,000 to 15,000 naira. Do not fall for the trap of over-designing instead of selling, or waiting for it to be perfect before you put it out there. Number two, mini importation. Mini importation is perfect if you like buying small, fast-moving items. Think phone accessories, jewelry, beauty tools, or even tiny home gadgets. Start by researching what actually sells locally, ordering in small batches, test the demand, and only reorder what actually moves in the market. You can source from sites like AliExpress, 1688, Temu, or even work with trusted agents or vendors who already have stock here in Nigeria. With 80,000 to 150,000 naira, you can start by selling through Instagram, WhatsApp, or word of mouth. The pitfalls for this business idea are importing too many items at once, chasing trends blindly, and forgetting how to calculate shipping and customs properly. If you fall short in any of this category, you would definitely sell at a loss. Number three, thrifts/reselling. Thrifts isn't just clothes, y'all. There's a vast range of things you can sell under thrifting. From kitchenware such as cutleries, plates, pots, even little household gadgets. All of these are selling big right now. You can run this business idea like dropshipping. Let me explain. Find trusted bill suppliers. Buy curated, not random items. And if you're doing clothing, wash, iron, and photograph them neatly. Then you can resell for 2 to 4 times your costs. Start with around 50 to 100,000, sell on WhatsApp, Instagram, or even pop-ups. If you opt for clothing, you can niche down to office wear, denim, plus-size clothing, children clothing, swimwear, even shoes or bags. For shoes or bags, I wouldn't really advise a first-timer to hop on them because it's quite volatile, being that the humidity in this country doesn't make this business idea so easy. But if you have a way around it, you can hop on it because it really sells. The advantage of niching down is that you do not get to sell to every and anyone. You have your market base and that works for you. Avoid buying random bills. Do your quality checks. Do not post poor looking pictures because presentation and curation are your edge. Number 4, social media management. If you've got a phone and data, social media management can be a solid side hustle for you. Learn free through sites like YouTube or even Allison. Then approach small businesses who need captions, content ideas, posting schedules, and even DM replies. Offer to create 5 free sample posts for them. Use sites like Meta Business Suite and Canva. Doing so will make clients see the value that you bring. And most of them will convert to paying clients once they see results. Be sure to keep your rates flexible. Around 50,000 to 150,000 per client, I think, is a sweet spot. Do not overcharge, please. Also remember to set clear boundaries, like posting days, how many revisions you can make, because some people just like to use others. So don't fall for that. And also ask for a contract before you resume work. Number 5, wig revamping. Wig revamping is a hands-on visual business because people love before and after photos. Your services can include washing, styling, and offering small repairs on the hair, the units, whatever, wig, anything, bundles, whatever. You do not need any formal training for this profitable business idea. You can learn the basics on YouTube, practice on old wigs as well, and offer discounted first services to your clients. You can also infuse small freebies in the delivery bags of your clients. That way, they will definitely refer you. You know that people in general, I thought to say Nigerians, but humans in general like free things. Startup cost for this business is roughly 50,000 to 100,000 naira. For this business, hygiene is everything. Please don't soak customers' hair in the same water that you used to wash 10 previous weeks. Because you're trying to save your conditioner, shampoo, or whatever tool you used to revamp. That is why I said do your findings. What works for a curly hair would definitely not work for a straight unit. So do your findings, go on YouTube, get free training, and start your business. Also, be honest with your customers about what is salvageable. You're a revamp artist, not a magician. If you see the type of hair that is looking like this one, I cannot do anything. Don't collect their money and promise heaven and earth. Okay? Number 6, skincare retailing. We are in a skincare era. Cleansers, sunscreen, body lotion, serums will always do well. Start by using the products yourself and then educating customers using their skin type as a yardstick. Please keep it basic. You're not a licensed esthetician yet. Until you become that, you can get into the advanced level. But for now, just keep it very simple and basic. For example, everyone knows that a daily application of sunscreen is non-negotiable, right? For this business idea, start small. Don't go on ahead buying everything that is trending on TikTok. You can stock up reliable items with 80,000 to 150,000 naira. Please, I'm begging you, avoid selling fake items. If not, police will come and carry you. Do not skip basic skin consultations as well. Honest product knowledge and careful creation will build trust and repeat buyers. Number 7, niche food business. Food will always sell, but you see niche food, it will definitely sell and sell even more when you're consistent. Think breakfast packs, office lunches, and weekend treats. These are extremely profitable business ideas. Pick one niche, test with small batches, get customer feedback, and with that, you can refine your offering. You can begin this business with 50,000 to 100,000 naira. Please do not compromise on hygiene. Aim for consistent taste as well. Also invest in decent packaging. Sloppy presentation and inconsistent flavor will kill repeat sales more than anything else. Number 8, laundry pickup and delivery. You don't need to own a laundromat for this business idea. You can act as a convenient middleman. Find a reliable laundromat to partner with. It can be commission-based or pay per job. Then you advertise locally and handle pickup/deliveries. Startup can be as low as 20,000 to 50,000 naira. And you can even use upfront payments from customers as your working capital. Keep your routes organized. Be clear about turnaround times and partner with laundromats that maintain good standards so that your reputation is not at stake. Number 9. There was no way this video was going to end without this point. Content creation. Yeah, I will keep talking about this. Content creation is honestly one of the easiest businesses to start. You do not need money to begin. Forget what every other person has been telling you. As long as you have a smartphone and data, which 99% of you already have, you can start being a content creator. today. Over time, you can make money through brand deals, affiliate links, or even selling your own digital products. To start content creation in 2026, pick a niche. Don't try to post any and everything at the same time. Post consistently, even if it feels like nobody's watching you at first. Also learn basic editing tools with free apps like YouTube again. Your startup cost can be anywhere from 0 to 50,000 naira. That's if you choose to invest in small tools later. The biggest mistake you can make as a content creator is to wait until you blow to take it seriously. Everyone started from somewhere. Nobody attained 50,000, 100,000 subscribers by just sleeping and waking up. They put in the work, and you should do the same. Like I said previously, have a niche, and most importantly, be yourself. Bring your personality on screen. Don't try to copy other creators or try to fake what you're not with accents and different stuff. You will get burnt out in no time. Number 10. Freelancing. Freelancing works best when you focus on one skill instead of trying to learn everything. Popular options are copywriting, video editing, or virtual assistants. Pick one, learn it properly, practice a lot, create samples, even free ones, and then start pitching it daily. You don't need a big budget for this. 0 to 100,000 naira can cover your data, learning materials, or tools. Common mistakes you might experience with this business idea is learning too many skills at once, forgetting or being scared to pitch, and charging way too little just because you think you are new to the game. Don't make that mistake. Number 11, Perfume Oil Business. I think I mentioned this business idea in the 2023 video. I will leave it linked in the description box as well as in my cards. I also have similar videos like that I will leave linked in the description box as well. Also in the cards during the course of the video. Alright, so do well to go check them out. Perfume oil business is a profitable business idea, especially if you love scents. You can start by buying tester quantities, packaging them neatly, and letting people sample before they buy. Startup cost is usually between 50 to 100,000 naira. And you can sell from 10,000 naira above depending on quality and branding. Where people mess up with this business idea is selling low quality scents, using cheap bottles for packaging, and having no brand identity at all. Presentation matters a lot with perfume oil business, in case you didn't catch that already. Number 12, nail tech / press-on nails. Whether you're doing nails or press-ons, skill and hygiene are everything with this business idea. Learn the basics, practice every single day, and start with home service before renting a space. Startup cost is usually around 70 to 150,000 naira. The biggest mistakes you can make with this business idea are poor hygiene, weak nail prep, which leads to nails popping off. That thing can be so annoying. I will not be a repeat customer. And not having a proper booking system. Imagine having multiple customers show up at the same time. Won't you be exhausted? It will only just stress you out fast, and you in turn lose customers for that because ain't nobody got time to sit down for hours waiting for their turn. Except you're very hot like that. I mean, I just like order. Number 13, POS Business. POS business is simple but very, very sensitive because we're talking money here. You need a busy location, people must trust you, and you must be disciplined with cash. Startup cost is usually between 100 to 150,000 naira depending on your floats. The common mistakes people make with this profitable business idea are bad location, mixing personal money with business money, and most importantly, not keeping records. If you're careless with this business, your profits will disappear like no man's business. Number 14, phone accessories. Phone accessories sell every day because people are always replacing chargers, power banks, and even earphones. For this business idea, your startup cost can range from 80,000 to 150,000 naira. The mistake people make with this business idea is selling fake or low quality items. Not explaining warranty or returns, if any. I know that in Nigeria, that one is story for another day. And having a messy display. Even small items sell better when they are arranged. The last and final point in this video, which is number 15, like I promised, is small event rentals. I use the word small because you can scale up with this, and you'll remember that we're keeping the startup cost low. This profitable business idea is perfect for neighborhoods with frequent parties. You can start by renting out chairs, tablecloths, or backdrops. Buy just a few items first, market around your area, and offer package deals. Startup cost for this is usually around 100 to 150,000 naira. Major mistakes include not collecting deposits, storing items badly so they get damaged, and not tracking what goes out and comes back. If you don't do that, all your chairs and everything that you rented out will go missing. The truth is, inflation happened, but opportunities did not disappear. They only evolved. You do not need more money to start a business. You just need clarity and good execution. Hope you all enjoyed watching today's video and you got value from it. Please signify by giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and sharing the video. Also, not forgetting to subscribe to Chantel Nation if you're not yet a member. Alrighty, thank you all so much for watching, and until I come your way again, stay amazing. Mwah. Bye, y'all.
Do what she gotta do. Always what got a crew. Nothing's impossible. Your favorite Nigerian YouTuber. She holding down the spot, can't move her. And you know she get deep like scuba. Fashion, lifestyle, let's do it. This Chantel, I you woo.